to share with you guys what I get for Christmas. Alright, let's find out. What do we have here? What I received from the whole deal is we have the EFS 18 to 55 millimeter lens, and of course the camera, instruction manual, 3 pieces of filter kit, 58 millimeter each. This is the lens, and that's one. That's neat. It show you. This is 2 and 3 for us to charge the battery, and we have the 58 millimeter wide angle converter lens. Let's take that out and show you. The telephoto converter lens, again right here, and extended warranty. For series 50 inches tripod, it's right here, and a remote control. 5 pieces deluxe cleaning kit. Let's see what it comes with. There's a liquid in here, and they have some Q-tips, the cloth, and this is a brush. We have the 75 to 300 millimeter lens. And this is universal digital slave flash. Again, that was the bundle that came with the camera, everything. So I think all these will come handy. All right, thank you guys. Stay tuned for more videos.